Hi everyone. I just recently got, about a week ago, I got my pop-on veneers from the Pop-On Veneer Company, and I absolutely love them. I wanted to hop on here and just give you a real person review. I've had them for about a week now, and I've used them every single day. Right now, obviously, I don't have them in. You can see the gap and the kind of yellowing of my teeth. I do have bridges that are on the side, and I have a couple of crowns in my mouth, but that's not given any issues to the using the veneers. I had them with another company. The other company that I had it with, it starts with an I. I don't really want to say the name of the actual company, but they were horrible. I had to take them out every time I wanted to eat, every time I wanted to drink. There's nothing like sitting with your friends at a table while you're out eating and having to remove your teeth. Like, this is not the case at all with Pop-On Veneers. You get a little case. In the case, I have the teeth, and it comes with a mirror, and then I also got a toothbrush, which I use my own, and then they gave me the molds that they used to make my teeth. So here's the molds, and then they gave a packet of 6 cleaners. So these are super easy, super lightweight. They are nothing like the other ones that I had. Those were terrible, really terrible, and they look so fake. They look like I just bought them off of Amazon or something. I don't know, but these are easy to put in. And so this is the top set. The color that I got is like the middle color. I can't remember the name of it, but it's not the bright white one, it's the other one. And you just pop them in. So that's the top set. And then this is the bottom one. And they're super natural. I've gotten already a ton of compliments on my teeth. My cousin is a dental assistant, and she was like, wow, your teeth look amazing. And she's like, did you whiten them? And I'm like, no. She thought I actually had dental work done. So anyway, these are them. And they are fabulous, and I would not recommend any other company. I already have a couple of people who are friends of mine who I have referred to Pop-On, and I think they are a great company. Their customer service is excellent. I love the teeth. I don't have to take them out when I'm eating. I've gone out to dinner for sushi. I've had chicken, vegetables, salads, subs, the whole week. And I had them in the whole time. I have not had any issues at all with them. So if you're thinking about getting them, go with Pop-On. Pop-On Veneers is the best. All right, bye guys.